NetSuite is one of the world's leading providers of cloud-based unified business management software. The unified business management software comprises of enterprise resource planning, customer relationship management, human capital and resource management, professional services automation, and e-commerce solution under a unified data model. Today NetSuite runs the business of 24,000 customers globally in more than 200 countries. NetSuite application supports 190 currencies, 27 languages, and supports tax compliance in over 100 countries. Some of the world's best-known brands trust their business to NetSuite and use them for their finance and operational business process. The functionality in NetSuite application supports from small to mid-size to large organizations. NetSuite provides complete financial management capability including billing, invoicing, revenue recognition, accounts payables, receivables, and ledger management. NetSuite's optimized order management and fulfillment processes tightly drive the order process from quote to fulfillment. Also the functionality for multi-location manufacturing, inventory, and warehouse management ensures continuous efficient operations in the supply chain. NetSuite streamlines procurement with a complete procure-to-pay process comprising the workflow management, approvals, vendor self-service, and payment. NetSuite Analytics gives corporate, division, and subsidiary stakeholders a true real-time view into every level of the business. NetSuite allows enterprises to automate the opportunity-to-cash process and manage the CRM activities across divisions and subsidiaries. It provides global visibility into and management of every aspect of CRM, including marketing campaigns, sales opportunities, forecasts, customer service, partner management, and more. NetSuite offers the only cloud-native solution for project and product-based companies that unites sophisticated ERP and professional services automation functionality in a single system. NetSuite Services Resource Planning automates the project management, resource management, project accounting, and timesheet and expenses management within a unified data model. NetSuite Service Resource Planning delivers advanced functionality across sales, service, and finance that drives down the bench time, elevates on-time project delivery, improves invoicing accuracy, streamlines revenue recognition, and increases visibility into the services organization. The NetSuite Suitecommerce, or the e-commerce solution, enables retailers, manufacturers, and distributors to seamlessly connect every step of a multi-channel, multi-location business. The Suitecommerce solution of NetSuite supports both B2B and B2C segments and seamlessly integrates with the back-office ERP solutions. NetSuite One World supports global operations of a company with support for multiple subsidiaries, multiple currencies, multiple languages, financial consolidation, and multi-country tax compliance. And finally, let us look at in this slide, what is a Suitecloud platform? The entire NetSuite application like ERP, CRM, HCM, professional service automation, and Suitecommerce has been developed using the Suitecloud development platform. It is proven, secure, reliable, and the scalable architecture makes NetSuite the unified business management platform choice for any organization. There are many components within the Suitecloud platform, which allows the customers to customize and extend the NetSuite applications. The Suite Partner ecosystem uses the Suitecloud platform extensively to build industry-related applications or niche functionality not available in NetSuite. The Suite app solutions developed by partners, when installed, work seamlessly with the core NetSuite applications.